Growing gut food to feed our gut brain is easy. Anyone can do it, and it costs very little. The gut brain is the intelligent control system which decides how much we eat and where we store fat, replaces our body parts as they age and wear, and controls much of our immune system. The gut brain is the key to health. Just buy a few boxes, and after that the main input is organic waste from your kitchen or garden, which is free. But you may need to buy some mineral rock dust, organic fertiliser or compost, some worms and a mix of seeds. After that, just flood and drain to water and breathe the soil, and you'll soon have plants teeming with beneficial microbes and nutrients. Just cut the tips, eat while fresh by making into a smoothie or add as a condiment to your main meal, or flash boil or steam, and you will have a healthy gut. Having a healthy gut is simple and inexpensive and does not need complex drugs or pills. Just do it the easy and time-proven organic way. Find out more at gbiota.com and get detailed instructions and online help.